and welcome. So today is the last day of the Christmas collaboration and it's also Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. You're probably not watching this on Christmas Day and I don't blame you. So on the 25th of every month, myself and Leslie, co-host of the collaboration, and along with all the other crafters linked in the description box below, I hope you're enjoying your Christmas. Have been doing Christmas all year long. So on the 25th of every month, so obviously that landed on Christmas Day, we have done some prompts to help us to get prepared and get some makes done and get them out of the way. I know we have Christmas in July, but I want to do summer. I never have time for summer. So Christmas all year long just sort of helped towards build up, supplies for Christmas so I can take it a bit more easy during the Christmas period. So the last prompt of the month, it had to be Santa, because like, why else? It doesn't feature anywhere else in the year, yeah? It's only today. So I did do a little tease, tried to do a tease, on my little community tab. I just went crazy with the die cutting one day and I ended up making some of these Santa tags. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite dies that I had. I've used this every single year since I've had this die and I just absolutely love it to bits. But differently this year is I actually got some cardstock called skin tones, and because when you're buying like cardstock, you don't really get skin tones in it. So rather than me colouring everything in my alcohol markers, the white card, I thought I would use this skin tone paper pad, and I just love that it's, they're all inclusive. He's a man of mystery. We don't really know what he looks like apart from he has a white beard and a red, hat and coat and stuff. So, and we also know he's jolly. So that's, all the description we ever have of Santa the man. So he could be anyone to anyone. So again, I've used my googly eyes because why not? You call someone jolly, they've got to have googly eyes. And I've actually used foam for his beard. I've used red foam for his hat, and I've used, so soft this is, the softest white felt I could ever find. Can't stop stroking it, for his hat. And then I've just added these gold holly leaves and some red and white twine. The back's on black, and I'm going to be using these for my Christmas tags for my family, because I don't get them much. So I don't have to make that many. So I've made 10 in total, 2 of each. So here's my first one, literally all the same, just absolutely mass make these tags. I just absolutely love them, and I'm really pleased with this cardstock as well. It actually comes as a card and paper pack, which is really cool. And also, like, when I'm doing them with my Julie Nutting dolls as well, much easier than all the colouring. But I do like my alcohol inks also. But this just made it really super easy and quick. I felt like a complete production line. Felt amazing. I just think they turned out so well. I'm really, really pleased with these. They're just so fun. And like I say, it is one of my favouriteest tags. So yeah, there's all my Santas. So jolly and happy. And I hope that you're all having a lovely Christmas also. And I'll see you again soon. Probably in the new year. I'm not sure. But I'll take care anyway. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye.